Friday, everyone. I'm Ann Birchard. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I like to create crafting connections one card at a time. Today's card, I'm going to be featuring the Tree Rings Hybrid embossing folder. What does that mean? The hybrid, you set in the die cut. It nestles in nicely, and I won't be able to get it off. So you can emboss and then cut at the same time. It nestles in there so it doesn't move. Put your cardstock on, fold it, run it through, and it'll cut out these little tree rings and emboss at the same time. For my card, I won't be using the die cut. I just wanted to show you that's an option. And it comes all together. And then I'm also going to be using the Wildlife Wonder stamp set. Sit back, relax, enjoy the music, and as always, all the supplies I've used are in the description box below. Let's make a card. went crazy with the embossing. For the background, I just inked the side that says Stampin' Up, ink that side, and then ran it through. So then the crumb cake showed up on the embossing. Used the, what did I use? I used the Stylish Shapes to cut out all the images. Then use the embossing folder for the envelope flap and on the side of the inside. Hope you like it. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Bye.